All right, happy Sunday morning to you. Just want to tell you, I pulled the trigger and ordered two PA 124 60 millimeter mortar shell ammo cans. Slightly bigger than Super Jerry, which uses those NVG ammo cans. The PA 124 is a little bit taller, a little bit wider this way, and a little bit deeper. So the whole idea is to get this 10-inch 4 ohm plus 4 ohm Skar audio sub into a can. And I already have a couple of tweeters from a old Jerry build. Have the step up booster in there. I got an amplifier here. So essentially just take what's left in here, including the handle, and incorporate a 10-inch dual voice coil sub into one of these big honking ammo cans. And I'm going to use a single port. I'm not going to use a speaker port. I'm going to actually use 3-inch PVC ductwork with an elbow and go straight up and tune it that way. So we'll see how this goes. But I got most of the parts ready to go. You know, all the switches and doodads and knickknacks and paddywhacks all in here, the bins. So good little winter project. I just love the sound of Super Jerry. Just bigger, fuller, richer, deeper sound. So why not go a little bit bigger with the 10-inch? And these guys still sound great too. All right, guys, have a good one and stay tuned. This is going to be really, really good. It's going to be called King Jerry.